Hello everyone, welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. If you watched the previous video, you already know how I repaired a faulty 4x3 Matrix keypad, replaced the damaged buttons, and explained its internal circuit. In today's part 2, we'll interface the same keypad with an Arduino UNO and a 16x2 I2C LCD. Every time a key is pressed, the pressed character will be displayed instantly on the LCD. Let's get started. Components required: Arduino UNO 4x3, Matrix Keypad 16x2, I2C LCD jumper wires. First, connect the keypad rows and columns to the Arduino digital pins according to the circuit diagram. Next, connect the I2C LCD VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, SDA to SDA, SCL to SCL. Once the wiring is complete, open the Arduino IDE. This program uses 2 libraries: Keypad Library, Liquid Crystal _I2C Library. The Arduino continuously checks whether any key is pressed. When a key is detected, its value is displayed on the LCD. This is a simple and useful project for learning keypad interfacing and is the foundation for many security and automation projects. Demonstration. Now let's upload the code. As you can see, whenever I press any button on the keypad, the corresponding character immediately appears on the LCD. This confirms that both the keypad and LCD are working correctly. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo. In the next video, we'll use this keypad to build a password-protected door lock system using Arduino. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next